be best to do a campus recruitment here.
Ka Office Jong ka Directorate of Dairy Development negasngi kala Aiti ya ka kali kidut but test ya ka dut sya ka milk transportation but testing vehicles hapo ka NPDD ka badon pratli ki dairy Cooperative Society ha ka jila ha Central Dairy Campus Mauyong. Habakran haga negasngi Ministry katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba AL Heg ula pediang ba ka Kamri Masi haga jela kadang don haga lenti bandang kiu syaprang. Wat haba ula penslur ya ki brio ban trei ya ka Kamri Masi ban kentiu ya ka jingpen mi dut bat ban kambha ka kamai ka ji. Haga ni ka program Menteri ula IT ya ki Shabi Shaka Dairy Cooperative Society bat ula kawe ya kalama nakani ka jaka.
And told when we went touring to the Garo Hills district, I've been touring into all the farms of the government. I went to the poultry farm, I went to the goatry farm, the cattle farm and all the farms. But there are very less productions. There's no production at all when we talk about the investment that the government had invested in our farms. That's why I am encouraging and telling our government, we, all of us, we need to put our effort and our hard work, definitely, but the needs of the hour is we have to involve the people.
Haga jing persyang ban penbha